Yo, 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 what up, peoples out there? You know what it is, KID Shice. You know what I mean? Young Dizon, maybe Double G's the click. Basically, what this is for y'all is a little something I like to call freestyle videos. It ain't no extravagant, flamboyant, you know what I'm saying? It's just on some regular. Whenever I lay something down, what I like to do is see myself lay it down. So right now, I'm gonna let y'all see me lay it down. You feel me? But this is what I do, you know what I mean? Feedback is whatever, you know what I mean? I really don't care at all, but it's for me, my peoples, you know what I mean, to get it in. But let me know something for real. You know how to hit me, MySpace, Shice, you know, Facebook, Shice. It's all Shice, baby. You know what I mean? And we still here. So with no further ado, here's a couple of them joints. I'm gonna release ones almost like every week, so there's always gonna be something out there. And other niggas out the click as well. So enjoy. If you don't enjoy, you know what it is. Anybody get it, son. So holler back at the kid, man.